In this video, I want to show you how to use the Microsoft Teams for connection with the other groups or make a group of the students for presenting your PowerPoint. You can go to create new contact groups and add as many people as you want in your group based on the name that you make. So just click on the create new group and then you can put the name, and then by adding the names you can put them in this group. As you see, I put my colleagues in Bioengineer Ruud Donning here. So I'm going to make a call or make a chat session. Here I have my study leader Heidi, and then I can add one of the colleagues. I need only to click on this icon, and also let's add Olivia to this one, and then I can start with the Heidi and Olivia here a video conversation. So I'm inviting them right now. As you see, I hope they accept my call soon.
Hi.
Hello. I just recording the video right now to just show how we are doing the chat. Oh, and then I can go to the here for share, and by clicking the share you can see my files will be up here, that I have PowerPoint files here, and then I can choose one of them and start sharing. By start sharing, as you see, we have the contacts here, and then we can at the same time have a more options. One of the options is when we are showing the people who are inside the chat, then there's 3 dots here. By clicking on this one, we can also make them attendee, and by this they cannot control the PowerPoint, so I just make them the attendee if they are students. And also you can mute the participant. They can hear you, but then you will not hear the participants. Then after this one, you can just use the PowerPoint and contact with them. And one of the other things which can be useful is adding a chat session to Discord, show a conversation, and then the students can type a question. And if one of you can hearing me, please just type a question here, so it will be appear here. If you put in the chat just one sentence, anything, then this, yes, that like this, and then you can have the question from the student that you can answer. Thank you so much.